Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Polygon Matic. When will the price of Polygon Matic pump? When will the price increase? A lot of people ask me this type of questions. So in this video, I will answer your question, my friends. 1.14 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative, the last 1 day and 1 week change is negative. Only the yesterday, the last 1 day changes of the Polygon Matic is positive, except of these the previous changes occur in the Polygon Matic is completely going wrong, my friends. So what should we do at this time, and how we can save yourself from loss and get profit from a Polygon Matic? Let me show you the price chart of the Polygon Matic. My friends, I think you can see today, my friends, on the 7th July, the price of Polygon Matic start pumping. Now in the last of July 7th, the price falls down. So that's why a lot of people understand that this is a temporary, sorry, there is a permanently, there is a continuously falls of the Polygon Matic. But my friends, the people are wrong. That is a temporary fast, as I predicated the Polygon Matic in my previous videos, that July month is the Polygon month, my friends. And the July, my friends, the Polygon Matic will also positive, my friends. So my friends, I hope you know what, there is a possibility that after 10th July they take a quick jump, my friends, quick jump, fastly moving up. So get ready for 10th July, my friends, and hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways, tell me in the comment box what is your opinion, how do you feel today about a Polygon Matic. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.